Right, let's go and try and get a sentence broken down into a list of words. So we're going to create a variable called eek. Eek is equal to, here is just a bunch of words in a sentence. And we are going to turn, well, if we just show what we've got here, if we print out eek, run my program, here's just a bunch, there it is. If I create a new variable called wow equals eek, and we're going to use a special function called split, and if we print wow, you can see we've broken it into a list of words, and now that it's a list of words, we can turn that into a loop for n in wow, print n. So loop through wow, and for every item, print it. There, okay. We could of course turn this into an input. Eek equals input say something, and now we run this one. Say something, I'm just writing some sentences here. Well, it's just one sentence, and then they go, I've created an input